Hello friends, this is Sahiti from Saivani Creations. On the part of our educational videos, we are going to make some basic topics for the engineering students and all. Now I am going to discuss about the introduction to 8085 microprocessor. First of all, what is microprocessor? Microprocessor is a silicon chip which contains ALU, some resistor circuits and some control circuits. So why micro means in 1970s microchip was came into existence. So with this microchip we can reduce the size of the making of silicon chip. So the overall size decreases by 1000 times more. So the name micro came into existence, and processor means the device which processes on the binary numbers, either zeros or ones. So the combination of micro and processor becomes the word microprocessor. So microprocessor is a programmable device. What is a programmable device? Programmable device means the device which performs some arithmetic and logical operations on the data received depending upon the instruction set. So instruction set means some group of operations is called as instruction set. So the functioning of microprocessor is the microprocessor performs its functions in three basic steps. Those are: first, it fetches the instructions. From the program what we have given to the computer, and then it decodes it, then executes it and stores it in the memory. The output is stored in the memory. Now coming to the features of 8085 microprocessor. 8085 microprocessor is an 8-bit microprocessor. So it contains 8-bit data bus and 16-bit address bus. As the address bus size is 16 bits, it can store up to 2 power 16. That means 64 KB memory. And it operates on plus 5 volts power supply. And the 8085 microprocessor operates on clock cycle with 50% duty cycle. It has on-chip clock generator. This internal clock generator requires tuned circuit like LC, RC or crystal. The internal clock generator divides oscillator frequency by 2 and generates clock signal, which can be used for synchronizing external devices. It can operate with a 3 MHz frequency. And it provides 8-bit I/O address lines. So to access 2 power 8, that is 256 I/O ports. So it supports 74 instructions with addressing modes like immediate, resistor, direct, indirect addressing mode, and implied addressing mode. In 8085, the lower 8-bit address bus A0 to A7 and 8-bit data bus D0 to D7 are multiplexed. That is AD0 to AD7 to reduce the number of external pins. But due to this, an external hardware latch is required to separate these address lines and data lines. And the 8085 microprocessor has an 8-bit ALU, 8-bit accumulator and 6 8-bit general purpose registers. Those are B, C, D, E, H and L. And it contains two 16-bit registers. Those are stack pointer and program counter. SP means stack pointer and PC means program counter, which stores the address of the next instruction to be executed. And 8085 microprocessor provides 5 hardware interrupts. Those are trap, RST 5.5, RST 6.5, RST 7.5 and INTR. And 8085 microprocessor provides serial I/O control, which allows serial communication. It provides control signals I/O or memory read and write bar to control the bus cycles, and hence external bus controller is not required. And the 8085 microprocessor has a mechanism by which it is possible to increase its interrupt handling capacity. The 8085 microprocessor has an ability to share the system bus with DMA, Direct Memory Access Controller. This feature allows to transfer large amount of data from IO device to memory or from memory to the IO device with high speeds. It can be used to implement 3-chip microcomputer with supporting IO devices like IC8155 and IC8355. Thank you. I think you have understood well on this topic of basic 8085 microprocessor introduction. So if you have any doubts or any topic you want us to explain, let us know in the comment box below, and like, share and comment in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe.